Makailangan ba iba armor? Wala ako night vision. Ba't ganun? Duya.
Palit ako lang sa
Sisyo na yung ano yung breacher.
sige.
Ako yung entry. Game?
Wait lang.
Game?
Ang loadout pala.
Ba't dalawa na yung infantry dito?
Wala yan.
Hoy!
Wala yan.
Tik ko nga itong isa. Ba't dalawa ito? Tik mo yan. Uy, ba't dalawa to, Lauben? Ayan. Nandito ka pa, Lauben?
Oo, nandiyan pa.
Okay. Ready?
Stinger ba? Ano ba? Armor to?
Hindi. Wala pang armor to, Lauben. First. Early game pa lang to.
Night vision.
Flashbang na lang. Masyadong madali pag CS gas eh. Ayan, okay. Ayan, weapon na lang ako. Para yung may weight.
Ready.
Sierra 1 has moved suspects side 4, level 1.
Dito tayo sa entrance. Tikod niya.
Ano na yun yung night vision?
Hindi ba
Ibay naman yun.
V? Hold mo V. Ba't kayo may night vision ako wala? Nangyari?
Flashlight. Interaction.
Wala ka ba yung may night vision na helmet?
Wala eh.
Aim down sights. Toggle. Flashlight to eh. Hindi to toggle ano eh.
Ay, equip mo yung ano. Mag-equip ka ng walang flashlight. Ano, flashbang ganon. Equip mo yung flashbang mo. Q. Try mo equip mo yung flashbang mo. Tapos, view mo.
Ayan na, nakaano na.
Ah.
Ang labo.
Wala.
Okay na?
Ang labo ng NVG.
Ibahin ko yung keybind.
Meron. Uy. Wala, what the fuck?
Ang labo, oh my god. Flashlight na ako.
Dito na tayo pumasok. Sa green na daw.
Ito yung maganda music na level.
Nobody fucks with us, you hear me?
Entry team to talk. Suspect cuffed and ready for transport.
Teka lang.
Roger that.
Yung vicinity.
Eye for further reports. Doc, this is Sierra 1.
Doon tayo sa green na door.
Visuals on entry team.
Tangan labo ah.
Opti 1D.
Ito yung maganda na music. Na-flashbang ako.
Bababoy. Noon kung may contacts, malaki yung room. Bridge, open clear na lang. Open and clear na lang. Ano na yan? Not lock. Opening 3, 2, 1. Closing. Tawan ko tong door ko. May dugo dyan, no? Laban, no? Kita ko yung screen mo. May civilian at suspect dito. Suspect is on the left. Civilian on the right.
Hindi ako sure dito.
Sige.
Ready na kayo dito?
Ah.
Tignan, check ko lang kung nakalock. Check ko lang kung nakalock. Hindi lock. Flashbang.
Ready.
Naka-ready na?
Ah.
Layo ka siya may fan defer eh. 3, 2, 1.
Ah.
This is a bad neighborhood. Hey!
Police! On the floor!
Clearing. May stairs dito.
Police! Hands up!
Secure niyan. Cover ko kayo.
Our time will come.
Please.
Get down! Put your hands up!
Ang daming doors.
May tao sa harap.
Clear to.
Ito sa labas eh.
Oo, labas na rin to. Ito, may red door dito. Red door on the right. Huwag muna tayo pumanik.
Drop your weapons and hit the floor!
Shit.
Police!
Dito yung malaki ano. Ready. Taas din meron yun.
Watch me yung taas. Watch me yung taas.
The police are here!
Ayun, nasa taas.
Get those hands up! Now! Drop your weapons!
Baril niya, may hostage dyan. May hostage. Buntikan niya na barilin.
Get those hands in the air! Do it now!
Copy. We'll be ready.
Just looking to score.
Copy. Trailer standing by. This is activity. Suspect dead. You're all clear.
Police!
Hands in the air! No! On the floor, you bastards! Hands in the air! Get those hands up! Now! Get them! On the floor!
Watching.
Droga niya. May droga na kuha mo.
Hey, man.
Suspect cuffed and ready to evacuate.
I swear.
Roger. Keep it up.
It ain't mine. I ain't never seen it before in my life. I swear. Okay?
Teka tayo. Labas na rin
Labas
yan.
yun eh.
Balik na tayo. Ano ba yan? Ano ba yan? Yung stars? Ha? Ano? Saan yung stars? Asan na tayo?
Dito sa
Ito.
Okay.
Police! Hands up!
Okay.
Police!
Everybody
On the floor!
chill. The cops are
Police!
here.
Get down!
Okay.
Get those hands up! Now!
Copy 1.
flash.
Lahat sila, tatlo na sa right side. Armed, lahat. Opening ko at magbabak ako. Huwag ka dyan, babarilin ka dyan. 3, 2, 1. Okay na yan?
Drop your weapons and hit the floor! Drop your weapons! Drop your weapons and hit the floor! Drop your weapons! Drop your weapons!
Duliyat, laban ikot. Ay. Asan ka, Shu?
Get those hands up! Now!
Patay. Akala ko patay ka.
I will be out in less than a day.
Suspect restrained. Ready to pick up. Copy.
Restrain yan.
Leverage natin yan.
Wala.
bigas room dito sa akin. Ay, nasan na,
Those hands in the air! Do it now! On the ground!
nakalak pa.
Now!
I'm not one of the
Police!
shooters.
Hands up!
Relasayin ko na tong
Be over soon.
press training of civilians.
Kailan lift. Ilaw nga. Makita.
Anyari? Anyari? Anong nangyari? Ha?
Door na miss.
Nagulat ako sa ano nangyayari.
Ayaw magbukas ah. May bachata to ah.
Level up.
Binirich ko na yan ah. Wala pa rin.
Hindi, may ano yun eh. May prop yun eh. Lalabas yung prop.
Flashing ha? May tao ba dyan?
Wait lang. Ano lang. Lockpick lang. Lalabas yung icon sa gitna. Ano ako yun?
Flashing? Ay, buksan. Okay na, okay. Uy, uy, uy. Uy, shoo, pasok.
Lag. Nakasarado pa rin sa akin eh.
Get down and put your hands up!
Nakasarado sa akin.
Do it now!
Uy, isa po tayo.
On the floor! Police! Down! Police,
Okay.
on the floor!
Saan na iba?
May nahulog na baril.
Asan yung iba niyong kasama? Entrance stuff.
Help me!
May isang kulang pa.
Kalaban.
Oo. Sa labas pa siya?
Labas yata.
Hanapin niya na lang.
Ah,
Nakita ka dyan, Shu?
Wala.
sa akin.
Oo.
Ano yan? Air fryer. Hindi ko nagamit.
Nasaan kayo? As na yun?
Fall in and stay close. I'll take point.
Ano po ba hindi natin na-check?
Time will come.
Ay, dito yun. Nakawait.
Saan? Saan ka ba?
Kami. Hindi ako sure. Ay, never mind. Ano lang.
Oh. Asa na yun? Wag. Nah. Saan nagtatago yung kupal na yun? Uy.
Stop them! Police! Hands up! Police! On the floor! Easy! Get down and put your hands up!
Patagod kayo.
Hello? Hi.
Objective
Complete na lahat.
Let's head to Dolly for continue mission.
Wounded kayo?
Hindi.
Captain. Yeah, easy.
Easy.
Auto center. Roof. Roof tayo.
Kahit 5 kilo lang ulit. Ha? O sige, 10. Diretso na kay nanay. Ano next? Hindi, bukas. Ano naman? Hindi na bibili. Kaya nga.
Wala akong ano. NVG. Kaya?
Wala ka bang ano? Ano yan? Night? Wala. Wala ka night vision talaga.
Wala. Oo, konti rin ang weapons ko.
Wala kang less lethal, light machine gun, machine.
Ako suppressed Uzi lang yung barrel ko. Yung submachine guns ko sa police. Sa ano, secondary. Hindi ko ata nalagay yung ano.
Uzi lang naman
Yeah.
sa submachine gun
Oo.
sa secondary. Uzi lang talaga.
Ano yung assault rifles?
Flashbang ulit.
Yung 249.
Ceramic na.
Ano mas mabigat? Ito mas magaan to. Unarmored pa rin to?
Armored to?
Hindi.
Hindi. Yung map.
Ewan ko. Ay, dala ka na lang FMJ.
Full metal siya.
Dala na lang kayo FMJ.
Hmm.
Game.
Diba?
Let's go.
Yep. Alvin. Ben.
Awit lang ito. Ano?
79 Adam, this is Central BCC. Multiple SWAT units responding code 3 to command post at 29th and Arlington. Barricade hostage situation.
May helicopter. Hindi nagpakita. Oo, ang ganda ng sunset to. Asan kayo? Ah, nandito siya.
Sarap to.
Okay, nandito na siya. Naka-ceramic
Ano
plate.
to? Akin to? Oh. Thank you.
Game? No, walang contacts.
Oh, just perfect.
Open and clear.
Ano siguro sa yung
Alak.
average?
Police!
Go.
Get down now! They're here!
Hands up!
Copy. EMTs and trailers.
Tututok na.
Ano yan? Paano yun yung baril?
Dead.
Show me your hands now!
Ang bilis. Walang slate ng baril.
Roger that. Standing by.
Ang bilis.
Reports. Hands in the air now! Get down now! Drop your weapons! Police! Hands up! Get those hands
Secure niyan.
up! Shoot you down! Get down and put your hands up! Roger that. Trailers standing by. Hands up! Police on your knees!
Gusto ko siya mga dito, mula dito.
Wait lang,
Pwede.
tapasan ko yung ano ko.
May tumakbo dito eh.
Video.
Ano, secure niyo to. Hawa, secure niyo tong isa. Nasaan kayo?
Wait lang, tinasa ko yung graphics. Ang labo ng night vision sober.
Bet you think you're got nothing to say.
Secure niyo tong isang to. Yung suspect, nasaan kayo?
Continue mission.
Labas kayo dyan. Uy,
Kaliwa mo.
oo nga, labas kayo. Secure nyo tong suspect na to. Baka tumakbo to. Lumabas na kayo dyan. Shoot dun sa left side mo. Sa left side mo. May labasan dyan.
Baba na to.
Ayan.
High ko na. High ko na. Ayan. Ayan. Nakamali na. Kinain yung...
Mga maaso yan.
Kinain! Yan na, wala. Wala. Kinain.
Ang kinain.
Ano pa ba? Hindi. Pancake, oo. Gilid, mainit eh. Ano ba yun? Yan na. Lahat. Ang natira.
Hindi ko alam kung may ay meron suspect sa left side. Yeah, sa left side. May flashbang ka, Shu.
Meron.
Hintayin nga natin si Laban.
Oh my.
Saan ka, Laban?
Asan pa kayo sa taas?
Ayun o. Flashbang, left side. Teka, nakalak ba? Hindi nakalak. Flashbang na lang.
Meron ako.
Sino mo po flash? Ikaw? 3,
Wala na yoko.
2, 1.
Goddamn punks! Drop the gun! Drop your weapon! Get those hands up! Do it! Drop your weapons! Drop the gun! Please! Hands up!
May isa ba?
Drop your weapon! Drop your weapon! Do it! Get down! Hands in the air! Police! Drop your weapons!
Tatakbo.
Hit the floor! Hands up! On your knees! Police! Drop your weapons!
May nasa left side ka, may nasa right side ko.
Right side.
Left. Flashing. At tawak pa siya. Secure niya. Dito sa garage.
On your knees! These goddamn car ain't worth this.
Get those hands in the air! Do it now!
You ought to be busting up shit, bitch, not us.
Roger that. Standing by for further reports.
Kaya naka-ceramic armor. Nasaan kayo?
Sa likod mo lang.
Ako si Juggernaut eh.
This is entry team. Suspect.
Tapos ako yung entry, no?
Roger that. EMTs standing by.
Kinain.
I ain't dying for a stupid car.
Stinking
Eh?
Get down now! Who the hell are you? Get your hands up and get down! Get those hands up! Now!
Oh, uy!
Hands up!
Uy!
Sinigawan.
Tangin na ba?
Hey, this is my garage!
Suspect neutralized.
Bumaril na nga siya eh.
Yeah! Do it now!
Shots fired na yun eh.
Police! Hands
Sinigawan mo
up!
pa rin yan.
Police! This is
Ulat.
my garage!
Kaya spam yung FD.
Ah!
Ulit tayo.
Put your hands up!
Okay na. At minus
I'm just standing here!
Drop your
Ah.
weapons and hit the floor!
Roger. Keep it up.
Makatay ko dalawa dito.
Entry team to talk. Suspect neutralized. Copy. Continue mission.
Ay.
Police! Hands up! Show me your hands! Now!
Clear na.
Ang kulang.
Lagay ko.
Ano po lang.
Bring order to chaos pa eh.
Isa pang ano.
May isang suspect. Isa pang atang suspect eh.
Red out.
Taas yata. Sa taas.
Get him! Drop your weapon!
Loading.
Docked in.
Yeah.
Nasa siya.
Objectives complete.
Back here. Suspect down. We're done. Well, you can stay.
Sana hindi naman bawas masyado. Sa pag mission failed to, ano tayo, ulit tayo. Ah, kulang. Pinulang ng 3. Oo, di tayo makapag ano.
Grabe naman. Grabe aso.
Sino yung kumain? Si Rocky?
Ay, syempre.
Ano kinain?
Pancake.
Pancake? May tsokolate?
Wala. Maple lang.
Okay lang na yun.
Hindi okay para sa akin.
Wala kang pagkain.
Kain pa naman eh. Wala.
Galing eh. Galing na aso.
Ilang taon na ba yung asong yan?
Wala pang isa.
Binabas mo na binugbog.
4, 5.
Paano mo binugbog eh?
Napalo
Magkakala ko ng CPS. Dali up na.
Child protective.
DPS pala.
Taka na yan.
Ang bigat nito. Yung ano to. Yung pinili mo yung ano, yung PDW, Lauban. Na SMG.
Amen. Yung ano? Yung MP.
Ready?
Adam, this is Central BCC. Multiple SWAT units responding code 3 to command post at 29th and Arlington. Barricade hostage situation.
Alak. Bridge mo na lang.
Get those hands in the air! Do it now! Do it now! Police!
Nasa baba.
Hands up! Drop your weapons! Get away from
Nasa,
me! Hands in the air! Get those hands in
nasa left side.
Do it now! Drop your weapons! Do it! Drop your hands now! Hey, get those hands in the air! Do it now!
Dog.
Get down!
Roger that.
Flashing. Flashing.
Show me your hands now!
Wala.
Police, hands up! Hands up! On your knees! Police, on the floor! Police,
Get those hands up for you!
Saan yung mga suspect na yun? Tumakbo yun, suspect.
Police, hands up! Get those hands in the air! Do it now!
Wala, nawala yung suspects.
I was gonna die.
Nasecure niya yung lahat ng ano, civilian.
Oo.
And you are.
Okay. Ito ba yun?
Roger that. Trailer standing by.
Unknown kung may suspect, so wala. Open na saan ka?
Entry team to talk. Civilian secured. Ready for evac.
Roger. We'll come in when it's quick.
Where's my
wrong?
goddamn lawyer?
Shut up!
Suspect is secure. Transport. Gabi. Did your mission.
Okay na?
Dito tayo. Kakalight na to.
Hang in there.
Be safe,
It'll
sir.
be okay.
Nakuha ba lahat ng evidence?
Baba ba?
Bababa ba tayo? Ah, sa baba.
Get down and put your hands up! Get down now!
Knees.
Oh, shit.
Don't shoot.
Talk.
This is that.
Drop your weapons!
Roger that. Trailers and the MCs are
Police,
standing
hands up!
Incapacitate.
Suspect down and secured. Have the EMTs ready.
Roger.
Sa garage.
Contacting medics.
What the hell was this?
This is entry team. Civilian secured and ready for transport.
Roger.
Hands in the
We'll come
air!
in. Ready
Do
for
it
you.
now!
Ang hirap mag-organize dito, ano, ang gulo ng room eh, ng ano, layout.
Hands up! Drop your weapon! Get those hands up!
Oh,
Shoot!
good kill.
Police, on the floor!
Matago siya dito eh.
Oo, matalino sila magtago.
Open and clear to. Wala akong makita eh.
May flashbang ako.
Flashbang ka? Kaya check ako nakanak. Hindi nakanak. 3, 2, 1. Pagpuputi tuloy.
Wala. Clear.
Those hands up! Now!
Dito sa door na to. Di rin alam. Uliat.
May tumakbo.
Sa left side. Right side. Uliat. Oh, pwede pa yan. Nag-ano siya. Nag-ano siya. Bigla siya tinaas yung kamay niya. Ay, bad.
Show me your hands! Now!
Pamula na yan.
Police! Put your hands up!
Entry team to talk. Injured civilian needs evac.
Anong gagawin mo sa posisyon ko na ano, ha? Unauthorized pa?
Suspect is secure and ready to evacuate.
Incapacitated lang naman, hindi siya namatay ako. Meron pa dyan?
Suspect killed.
Okay. Ang dami nila.
Police! Hands up!
Pausip pa ako.
Unknown kung may suspects. May flash ka pa? 3, 2, 1. Kasi,
Ito na yung
tanigin. Sino na lang yung kulang natin? Chaos. Oh, chaos. Chaos. Let's go dito. Sige, check na natin si
Entry team to talk. We have a suspect down. Copy. Continue mission.
Stay cool. It'll be over soon.
May isa pa?
Entry
Okay.
team to talk. Injured suspect secured. He's in pretty bad shape.
Roger that. Trailers and EMTs are standing by.
Panganang yun.
Talk. This is entry team. Suspect dead.
Ayan.
Roger that.
Tinamaan ako.
To talk. There's a down suspect here.
Roger that. Standing by for further reports.
Ayan ba yung luto mo sa akin? Ang ilang yan. Tatlo.
Tatlo yung kinain.
Sarap na sarap eh. Kaya nga eh.
Nainan mo.
Sarap na sarap eh. Ano yun? Wala na.
Lalaban, kasalanan mo yan.
Police! Get down!
Completed na.
Ano lang kulang natin?
Evidence.
Wala na yung evidence. Game na. Yaman na. Kahit 77, pwede na yan. Kinainan ng ano, kinain.
82. Ah.
Pwede na.
Pwede na yan.
Plus 10. Original score. Maganda ng weapon sunod.
Ready na. Next map pa na.
Yes sir. Tech 9. Gangsta.
Is there emotional? Get out of the dancer's paradise.
Nakakatakot yung game na to, sobra.
Oo, ang Yes, pa rin. Tapos yung music, maganda yung ambience. Speak devs.
Tinamaan ako sa...
May body armor.
May body armor yung kalaban.
Ayun na. Pwede na kayo gumamit ng ano gusto nyo.
light machine gun.
M4 ako.
Nag-AK ako.
SMJ. Ready?
Ready.
Clear muna natin yung dining bago tayo pumunta sa chapel. Swing tayo sa right. No?
Sisters of Mercy. Oh.
Or ihuli na natin yung chapel. Ay, huwag na.
Okay, bahala.
Sige, unahin na natin yung chapel. Ay, unahin natin yung buong first floor. Swing tayo sa right. Punta tayo second floor through chapel. Punta tayo second floor through chapel. Ganun na lang. Ready?
Ready. Ready ka na?
Ready na. Ay, hindi pa napindot.
1014 Adam, this is Central BCC. Adam Boy, Truck 1, responding code 2 to 796 Newbury Street.
Ayun, may flashlight.
Police!
Suspect is injured. In need of medical attention.
May civilian dyan.
Roger that. Trailers in the
Stop it, please. I'm cooperating. Don't shoot.
Get those hands up! Now! Police!
Stop
Get
it.
May civilian dito.
Dito.
Sa'yo mo naman lang yan.
May civilian dito.
Oo.
Damn. You crazy. Why you treating me like
Waiting for transport.
Roger that. Trailers
Wedge ko yung double doors.
Sige.
Dalawa yata. Dalawang wedge.
Dalawa kailangan. Hindi, isa lang.
Unknown kung may suspects. Walang trap. Huwag na tayo mag-flashback. Silent tayo. Ay hindi, wala kayong mga silencer.
Meron ako.
Mga kumagang.
Loved lang yung wala eh.
Sapakan nyo lahat yan.
Show me your hands. I'll put you down.
ready back. Trailers standing by.
Suspect dito.
Hallway dito.
Nakatalikod. Susupresahan ko.
Police! Drop your weapons! Drop your weapons!
Baba mo yung... Ino mo nga.
Copy. Stay sharp.
Sa labas to.
Palabas yan. Palabas din to. Cafeteria tayo. Swing tayo sa cafeteria. Ito. Dito. Ay, hindi. Huwag yan. Bakit yan? Dito tayo. Saan yan? Alak, pagkasado ko pa to eh. Ito. Flash nyo to la. Flash natin to. Far.
Lock ba?
Far left.
Far forward. No.
Copy. Sige.
Lock ba?
Teka. Nakalock nga. Breach.
Opening. Ano, na-flash kayo?
Taas!
Okay ba? Okay na kayo? Okay na kayo?
Na-flash ba ako? Flash tayo diba?
Hindi. Naka-tactical ako eh.
Naka-night vision ako.
This is TOC. Heard and understood. Will advise snipers to watch out for civilians.
Huwag tayo pumanik dito. Doon tayo sa left. Doon tayo sa ano, main door.
Yung evidence dito. Tang ano naka sa machine gun siya.
Naka-LMG. Dalawa na yun naka-LMG.
Tinamaan ko sa ulo eh. Ayaw yung mag-comply eh. Bang!
Mukha mo yung ano, terrorist na. Mababaril.
Kaya nga.
Police, get down. Hands up, on your knees. Get down. Put you down. Hands up, on your knees.
Wala. May door dito eh.
Check mo nga.
Get those hands in the air. Put your hands up. Get those hands in the air. No. Do it now.
Wala. Staircase lang.
You have to stop.
Tara, tara.
If someone gets hurt,
Pa-flash yung taas ng staircase.
Copy. Keep it up.
Akala mo ah. Saan?
Police.
Oh, baba mo yan. Binaba. Secure niyan. Oh,
Get those hands up. No.
tumakbo.
Police. Drop your weapons and hit the floor. Police, drop your weapons.
Suspect cuffed and ready for transport.
Ganyan.
Roger that. Standing by for further reports.
May nakamarel.
Wala.
Team to TOC. Suspect is secured and ready for transport.
Ano?
For you all clear.
Ano binabara mo?
Bintana.
Guys. Laubit!
Wala.
Paano ginagawa?
Ano ginawa mo?
Blade. Oh my god. Blade yung bala.
Ready evac.
EMTs.
Like, ganda na eh.
Ayan. Blade yung bala. Pinarili ko na. Kabintana pa sa pagkatulog ko sa hindi ako man. Galing, ang galing.
Silencer ka, Lauben.
Ang nakakala ko, binabaril na tayo dahil sa dun sa bintana eh. Yung pala, ikaw pala yun.
Tinetesting ko, pwede mabasag.
Tapos nag-spray and spray.
Gago, putek.
Delay, bigla na gano'n. Loko, pumunta.
Down na gan si DC.
Nagtantad ng unauthorized mo.
Okay.
DC.
Tag-ilang yan.
Wala yan, akala mo na ano ko, terrorist ako, wala. Kaya mo excuse, sabi mo bag, gago ka, wala. Retard. Retard mo, nag-retard mode lang yan. Wala mo yan.
1014 Adam, this is
Nag-retard mode lang yan, sila ba? Ayaw man.
1 responding code 2 to 796.
Tangina. Okay. Clear.
Clear niya tong room na to. Mag-retard.
Clear.
Oh,
Police, on the floor. Get those hands in the air. Do it now. Down or I'll put you down. Hands in the air. I want my lawyer.
Suspect is secure and ready for
Get those hands up.
Like they're panicking. Roger that. To that Entry team. game, Proceed with proceed with caution. caution.
open.
Oh shit. Shit, may tumatakbo dito.
May isa pa. Baba mo yan. Ba't sila naka-LMG?
Yan eh.
Get down and put your hands up.
Mahal pa ng bala. Bar lang yung radar.
Roger that. Unit standing by. Will love us. Still not grow. This Doc.
On the left.
Watch out for civics.
Flashing.
Copy.
Flash bang?
Keep it up.
Flash ba niya? On the left, 3. Teka, ako nanak.
Ayoko. Flash ka na ako.
3, 2, 1. Ang go.
No more trouble from me.
Police on the floor. Police, get down.
Sige, so ikot-ikutan natin yan. Check natin kung ito yung comms. Maganda to.
Ready for transport. Copy. Continue mission.
Dito ka laban, saan ka?
No suspect.
Drop your weapons. Do it.
Pumasok na sa laban eh. Sige, sundan na natin. Cover natin.
Police, get down.
Why are you
Get those
waving
hands
those
up.
things at
No.
me? I'm not one of the
It's on the floor.
Those men are crazy.
Roger that. Trailer standing by.
Police!
Tell me this will be over soon.
Waiting for your all clear.
Hey, why are you treating me like
Copy. Keep it up.
Ito na tayo, Cathedral. Check mo kaya laban.
Lockpick ko lang.
Tinetesting ko lang yung reflex niya.
Hallway lang.
Korda lang.
Police, hands up.
Dyan tayo, punta tayo dyan Cathedral.
Hallway sa left. Staircase sa right.
Flashing ko yan.
Clear. Hindi, clear
Okay.
siya.
Patay yung Cathedral niya.
Get down and put your hands up. Hands in the air. Police on the floor. Get down.
What do you want?
Police, get down.
On the floor. Show me your hands.
You can't do that.
This is ST. It's ready.
Copy.
Roger that. Trailer standing by.
So, natay na yung staircase. Walang trap.
Police,
Get down and
hands
put
up.
your hands up.
Lauben ha.
Weapons. Do it.
Lauben.
Yeah, do it now.
Kung babarilin.
They've gone crazy! They're shooting it out like that!
Get down. Hands in the air. Police, get down.
Tiwanin. Wala rin dito.
Civilian ready to evacuate. Ready for transport. Copy. Continue mission.
Show me your hands.
I'm an old man.
Suspect sa left.
This is entry team.
May hostage.
Secured and ready for transport.
Saan ka?
Ready for them.
Dito sa bedroom. Ay, mali.
May suspect dito sa left. May hostage.
Sige, dyan tayo.
What are you doing?
Drop your weapons. Get those hands up! No! You need to put your hands up! Get those hands in the
Dito
air!
pa ako
Do it
sige.
now! Police, get down!
Entry team to talk. Suspect is secured and ready for transport. Get down. Keep it up. Civilian ready for transport. Roger. Talk. Entry. Civilian secured and ready to evacuate. Roger that. Trailers standing by.
May suspect pa.
Dito sa room ko.
May mga civilian pa eh.
Dito, parang may
Dead.
yan sa kanan na room. Sigurado meron.
Doc, this is entry.
Talk. Suspect.
Get those
Copy.
hands up! No!
Situation.
Get those hands in the air! Do it now!
Ayaw ma.
Police!
Get those hands in the air! What now?
Narak. Bridge mo. No, hindi. Go.
Hands in the air!
Hands up.
Get down!
Hurry, you've got to stop that.
Get those hands in the air!
Zero 1. Element spotted.
Just get me out of here. But I didn't do anything.
Civilian secured.
On the ground! Now!
Keep it up. Get up.
Please, check niyo yung mga bathroom dyan sa stairs, sa upstairs.
Lost visuals on entry team.
Nasa labas ba? Wala ating entrance eh. Clear naman dito. Saan na yun? Okay.
This is entry team. Suspect neutralized.
Oh.
Doc to entry team.
Wow, fuck.
Objectives complete.
Nice work. Let's head back to
The debrief.
Entry team to talk. Suspect
On the floor.
Saan na galing?
Roger.
Kailangan talaga iwan siya mga pituwa minsan.
Authorized force daw, DZ eh.
Wala.
Wala, kita ko yun. Authorized force daw, DZ.
Pwede na yun. Pwede. Kulang lang evidence. Next match na. Sabi lang to, mga ganon. Okay. Pwede.
Unauthorized force daw, DZ eh.
Dalawang evidence.
Ano yan?
Dalawang evidence.
Nightclub. Ay, dali. Entrance na lang tayo para madali. Last match muna. Antok na ako. Ready na.
Inantok kakaantay.
True. Oras na ba?
Focus. Wala naman ako.
122 pa lang eh.
Para maaga tulog.
Ako din.
Humina na si DZ.
Umina.
I'm too old.
Ito, buti mabait ka. Hindi ka nangangain ng pancake.
Sino si Rambo?
Oo.
Nangangantot lang mga naunan.
Ng aso siguro. Saka mo. Inaano niya si
Ha?
Rocky. Inaano niya si
Ha?
Rocky. Si Rocky yung inaano niya.
Teraki na, hindi na yung unan.
Oo. Meron na si Rocky. Personal.
Ano na ako SMG?
Salit-salitan sila.
Gago.
Me and the boys. Balik ako sa ano, MP5.
Pagbuhin.
I-wedge nga natin yung mga pintuan kung saan sila pumupunta eh.
Anyari. Wala, takot sila.
Para din na. Ready. Ready.
79 this is Central BCC. Multiple SWAT units responding code 3 to 127th and Adelaide.
Stamber Avenue. Rah. Ano ba? Ano rush? Speedrun?
Speedrun.
Speedrun.
High frag and trip. Let's go.
Speedrun. Speedrun. Wala na check.
This is entry team. Injured civilian back.
Get down and put your hands
Roger
up.
that.
OP ako
EMT
tuwan.
standing by.
Drop your weapons. Hands on the floor.
This is entry team. Civilian
Okay.
medical attention. Be ready.
Show me your hands now.
Civilian hit.
On the move.
Moving slower than expected. Continuing on.
Roger that. Stay sharp.
Hands up! On your knees!
This is Sierra 1. Element has moved out of visual contact.
Get down. Show me your
Get those
hands.
hands
now.
up!
Get down. Police, get down.
now! Get down or I'll put you down! Police! Drop your weapon! Hands up! On your knees!
Down and
Police!
secured.
Hands in the air!
Entry team.
Get those hands up.
EMT
Now.
standing by.
Police,
Get
on the floor.
Speed!
Get those hands up. Now.
Hands in the air!
Ayan.
Police, on your knees.
Sayang yung Stratocaster, oh. What?
Drop your weapons. Police,
Ulit.
here they come. Your weapons. Police, hands up. Get those hands
Doc,
up.
this is entry team. Suspect down and secured. Have the EMTs ready.
Drop your weapons.
Roger that. Trailers and EMTs are standing by.
Shit.
Police! Drop your weapon! Drop your
Get those
weapon!
hands up. No.
Talk. This is
Police, hands up.
suspect dead.
Your weapons!
There they are. Drop your weapons. Do it. Drop your weapons. Do it. Drop your weapons. Do it.
Who are you?
Show me your hands. No.
Huh?
You don't scare this plan, Einstein.
Police,
One
get
measure.
down.
Get down!
Ka na lang.
Secure naman yan.
Show me your hands. No.
Talk. This is entry team.
Takot sa.
Injured suspect secure and ready for evac.
Ayan ko na yung upstairs.
Copy. Medical team is notified.
Police, on the floor.
No,
Get down.
Oh.
Night vision pa naman ako.
Civilian ready
Show
to
me your
evacuate.
What's happening?
Trailers
on
standing
the
by.
floor.
Oh, jump scare.
I just came for the band. I
This is
didn't do
entry team.
anything.
Ayun na, parang ako
Secured and
na
ready to evacuate.
inside.
Roger that. Trailers standing by.
You're gonna get me out, right?
This is entry team. Civilian secured and ready for transport.
Copy. Trailers standing by.
Munti ka muna ako ma-one tap laban.
Yan na.
Get down and put your hands up.
Bigla lumabas sa FOV niya, nakita ko siya eh.
Get those hands up. Now.
Nakatago na sa CR yan.
Time to head
Ito po.
back. Copy. Continue mission.
Ito. May higa ka. Galing mo ah. Kinain mo pa yung pagkain.
81 na. Pwede na yan?
Repel to report. Huh?
Delta report.
Ang bilis. Ang minutes tayo.
5. Mga ganun. 3, 4.
Sub 10.
Sige, bukas na lang. Mamaya na lang ulit. Antok na ako.
Sige na.
Wala kasing adrenaline, parang Company of Heroes eh.
Tan tan tatatan.
Kung may Company Heroes kanina, hanggang tayo, 5. No?
Napasok ka pa ba, Globen?
Meron na.
Tang yan.
Ang baba talaga ng recording pag game capture.